sklearn, utils, checkarray. Description. The checkarray function from scikit-learn sklearn is a utility function designed to ensure that input data to various scikit-learn estimators like classifiers, regressors, etc. is in a format suitable for processing. It checks the input array for conformity to expected data structures and performs necessary conversions or raises errors if the input is invalid. Inputs. Array. The input array-like object. This could be a NumPy array, a list, a pandas data frame, or a similar structure. Except sparse, a Boolean flag indicating whether sparse matrices are acceptable as input. Except large, sparse, a Boolean flag indicating whether large sparse matrices are acceptable. Depending on the size of the array, the function might convert them to dense. D-type, the desired data type for the input array. If not specified, the function tries to infer it from the input. Order specifies the desired memory layout of the array. C for C contiguous row major or F for Fortran contiguous column major. Copy, a Boolean flag determining whether the input array should be copied. Setting it to true ensures that the original array remains unmodified. Force all finite, a Boolean flag that determines whether to enforce all values in the array to be finite, not none or infinity. If true and a value is found to be non-finite, a value error is raised. Ensure 2D, a Boolean flag that controls whether the input array should be reshaped into a 2D array. If true, 1D arrays will be reshaped into a 2D array with a single column. Allowed, a Boolean flag that indicates whether multidimensional arrays more than 2 dimensions are allowed as input. Ensure min samples, an integer specifying the minimum number of samples rows required in the input array. Ensure min features, an integer specifying the minimum number of features columns required in the input array. Estimator, the name of the estimator optional. This is used to provide a more informative error message if the input array is not valid. Outputs. Array, the modified input array, ensuring it conforms to the specified requirements. Warning, a list of warnings encountered during the check, such as D-type mismatches or other issues. Steps. Type checking, the function checks the type of the input. It should be a NumPy array, list, pandas data frame, or a similar array-like structure. Sparsity handling, if sparse matrices are acceptable except sparse is true, the function handles them appropriately. If not, it attempts to convert them to dense matrices. Data type conversion, if a specific data type D-type is specified, the function tries to convert the input to that type. Shape validation, the function enforces the desired shape of the input array. For example, it ensures that the array has the minimum number of samples and features specified. Finite values, if force all finite is set to true, the function checks whether the array contains any non-finite values, none or infinity, and raises an error if found. Metrics. Not applicable. Visualization plots. Not applicable. Fine-tune parameters. Except sparse, control whether sparse matrices are acceptable as input. D-type, specify the desired data type for the input array. Ensure 2D, ensure that the input array is reshaped into a 2D array. Allowed, allow multi-dimensional arrays more than 2 dimensions as input. Ensure min samples, specify the minimum number of samples rows required. Ensure min features, specify the minimum number of features columns required. Uncertainty methods. Not applicable. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1, input data with incorrect data types. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1, a NumPy array containing strings instead of numeric values for a regression model. Fixes to challenge 1, specify the correct D-type parameter in checkarray, e.g. D-type float to convert the data to the appropriate type. Challenge 2 input data with inconsistent dimensions. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2 a list containing arrays with different lengths. Fixes to challenge 2 ensure the input data has consistent dimensions by padding or truncating the arrays to match the desired length. Challenge 3 input data containing non-finite values none or infinity. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 3 an array containing none values, which are not acceptable for many scikit-learn models. Fixes to challenge 3 handle non-finite values by either replacing them with a specified value, e.g., the mean of the column, removing rows or columns with non-finite values, or raising an exception. Challenge 4 input data in the wrong format, e.g., a list instead of a NumPy array. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 4 passing a list of lists directly to a scikit-learn model that expects a NumPy array. Fixes to challenge 4 convert the input data to a NumPy array using functions like np array. Challenge 5 input data with a sparse format that is not supported. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 5 using a sparse matrix with a format not supported by the scikit-learn model. Fixes to challenge 5 ensure that the sparse matrix format is supported by the scikit-learn model, or convert the sparse matrix to a different format.